Good day, this is Dr. Don Charles. Welcome to my video lecture series, Day Trading Stocks. This is my final lecture for this video series. This lecture will cover the Small Account Challenge. So the outline for this lecture covers the Small Account Challenge. So what is the Small Account Challenge? This is a very basic challenge. I want you to take the stocks and to be able to double your account. In fact, I want you to be able to triple your account. So start with an account that is only $500. Do this in demo. Start with an account with $500 in demo and triple it to 1,500. So I am setting a target of 1,500 rather than 1,000 because I want you to prove to yourself that you have picked up the skills and you now know what to do. Note, you should implement this small account challenge first in demo. In other words, you need to practice in demo. Do not go live. Do not start trading with real money. Start in demo. Grow a demo account from $500 to $1,500. If you cannot grow a demo account, you cannot grow a live account. I want you to time yourself in this challenge. In other words, I want you to record how long it takes you to grow $500 into 1,500. Now, you can't cheat yourself. If you took 2 months to grow $500 into 1,500, then it took you 2 months to do it. If you take that same strategy and implement it when you go live, you should be able to triple your account in about 2 months. You can't triple your account in 2 months in demo, then expect to do it in 2 days in live trading. That is just unrealistic. Demo trading is when you practice and get a feed of the market. You implement different strategies and you take both wins and losses. If you implement a good trading plan, your wins can be greater than your losses, and you will be a net winner. Recall, I emphasize there are multiple scenarios when you trade. You can get a big win, you can get a small win, you can get a small loss, you can get a big loss. Once you eliminate one scenario, the scenario is the big loss. Once you eliminate the big loss scenario, you will be a net winner. You will be a winner on the long run. There are over 10,000 stocks that you can trade in any day. You can go long and buy stocks, or you can go short and sell stocks. How do you find the correct stocks to trade? How do you find the stocks that are going to make a price change of 30% or more in one day? Do you recall how I found stocks to trade? Do you remember the website I went on to find the stocks that are gapping up every day? What are you looking for in order to decide to buy or to sell stocks in any given day? Recall, there was a video in my lecture series where I went into detail about how to find stocks to trade. You can review that video. I will give you the answer. First, you can start with a watch list. You can go to Yahoo Finance and you look at the most active gainers. You place the most active gainers that are of interest on your watch list. I have a directional bias and I like to go long. So if you have a directional bias and if you intend to go long, you can start with the most active winners. These are stocks that are gapping up for some reason. What is the reason? Well, you have to find a reason. But my first criteria is to find the stocks that are gapping up. Where do I find the stocks? Trading is a discipline. Trading is a serious discipline, and trading requires tools. I go to different websites to get the information. The websites I use are Yahoo Finance, TradingView, and Finviz. These are free websites. So where do I find the most active gainers? Do you remember? So you find the most active gainers in Yahoo Finance. What is the second criteria used to buy stocks? Do you remember? Well, in my strategy, my second criteria is the relative volume. Do you remember what is the relative volume? Look back at my video. What is my third criteria to buy stocks? It is a low float. Do you remember what is a float? What is my fourth criteria to buy stocks? Do you remember? My criteria is to find a reason why the stocks are gapping up. In other words, read the news. You want positive news. News regarding revenue, earnings, profits, etc. These should be of interest to stock traders. Now, is that it? What should you do next? Where should you place your entry? Where should you place your exit? So, do you remember the indicators that I used? Can you remember what is the Bollinger Bands? What is the Bollinger Bounce? Do you remember what is the Relative Strength Index? Do you remember what is oversold? Do you remember what is a price crossover? All these things are key elements of my strategy. You need to know these things if you intend to trade stocks on my strategy. Or if you have developed a new strategy, you need to know the things that are essential to your strategy. What about chart patterns? Do you remember what is a bullish engulfing? Do you remember what is a harmonic pattern? Do you remember how to trade harmonic patterns? You need to remember these things if you want to apply technical analysis to trade stocks. Rewatch my videos to refresh your memory. Some of you may be expecting that as you start to trade, you may become a millionaire immediately. Well, you will not become a millionaire from trading immediately. Secondly, you may want to make money every day, but more likely than that, you are not going to make money every day. Why? It is because trading is about averages. You will take some wins, you will take some losses, but on average, and the key word is average, on average, if you are properly implementing a strategy, a trading strategy, you'll get more wins than losses. So I am not saying that you will make money every single day. I am saying that you will take some wins, you will take some losses, but on average, if you are implementing your strategy properly, you will take more wins than losses, and overall, you will be a net winner. That is what I'm saying. Being profitable on average and being profitable in the long run is not the same as winning every day. You will take some wins, you will take some losses. But what you want is for your wins to overpower your losses. Anyone that tells you that they trade financial assets and they take 100% wins is lying. That is not possible. You will take some wins, you will take some losses, but you will be successful in the long run if your wins overpower your losses. Also remember, trading carries emotions. People have emotions. People want to win and not lose. So when they are trading with real money, they do not want to lose. People have to deal with emotions. Some people may perform well while demo trading, but the second they go live with real money, they get anxious. This is because they are aware, they know that trading with real money and they do not want to lose their real money. A trader needs to learn to manage their emotions. This is something that comes with experience. This is something that comes with practice. How do you get the experience? How do you get the practice? Well, you go on your account and trade with demo. You have to involve in trading in order to get the experience. Your experience is what counts, not anyone else. It is your experience, because your experience will affect your decision making. So you start with demo. In demo trading, you're getting a chance to apply all the different things that you have learned. Apply the things you have learned and try growing your account. Only when you have managed to increase your account from $500 to roughly $1,500, so in other words, only when you manage to triple your account, then you should go on the market with real money. If you cannot triple your account in demo, you are not ready for the market. So practice demo trading, practice reading the charts, practice implementing strategies, and see the performance of your strategies. Do not worry about the market. There are 250 trading days for the year, so there are many opportunities for you to trade. What you want to do is learn. What you want to do is prepare yourself. So watch the videos, rewatch the videos, and continue practicing. The stock market is waiting for you. So in conclusion, I want to say thank you for being part of this lecture journey. We covered a lot of content in this course. However, these are the tools that are required. You need to learn the tools and you need to learn how to use them properly in order to reap the gains from the market. So once again, thank you.